I am Colonel B.S. Rawat. I stay in Noida, and last year, sometime in July, August, I had some problem with me. Prior to that, I was absolutely fit and fine, every day doing morning, evening walk, maintaining my all routines. But suddenly, during July, I felt some uneasiness with me, and with that, I started getting some time fever, and things went not very well. Gradually, it was day by day getting somewhere bogged down. So I went to our polyclinic, that is ECH polyclinic, got some medicines, but it couldn't help me. Ultimately, I told them that in spite of medicines, I've started, my nose is bleeding, my whenever I'm coughing, some blood is coming with the cough, and the fever also not discontinuing. After medicine, it discontinues, but immediately after a few hours again, I get some fever. So and I was feeling very weak, losing my appetite. As a result, the doctor in our ECS polyclinic, he referred me to International Oncology Cancer Center, Fortis Hospital, and having been checked up by the doctors, team of doctors, and they found that they confirmed, yes, I am a cancer patient and my left lung is affected, and not only confirmed, they say that I had gone to the stage 4. Thereafter, I felt a bit upset, but having gone back to my house, I discussed with my family, my wife, some of my friends, and some of them were very knowledgeable people. They said there is nothing much to worry. Now all good medical facilities with the modern age and technology are available, and there is nothing to worry. In turn, I must get immediately admitted to the hospital, and accordingly I came back to the Fortis and started my treatment, where I had undergone various tests, and doctors, they've carried out the whatever required test and everything, and they confirmed that I have become a patient of the cancer. यहाँ पर डॉक्टरों की जो टीम है, the staff and all, they were very nice, very good, and they have kept mostly the treatment in daycare unit. Once in a week, they started me giving chemotherapy. The effect of the chemotherapy was very good. I had some sort of relief. The medicines were also very effective, because prior to medicine, I started coughing with the blood, the nose bleeding, and certain more symptoms, very weakness, loss of appetite. So with the treatment, gradually it started gradually coming back, and I found there was some good response as far as my personal health was concerned. But prior to that, they wanted to refer me to the radiation therapy. I had gone to the radiation therapy. There also the team of doctors, they have examined me, and they said that I don't require the radiation therapy, and referred back to the team of the chemotherapy doctors. When I went to them, they said that time being, I don't require any medicine, and I require minimum 6 weeks to 8 weeks rest. Thereafter, they will determine again if I require any further treatment on this regard. I may, and it is not confirmed whether I will require further treatment in chemotherapy or not. But as on today, I feel I am improving. I have started walking bit slowly. My hands and legs, they are coming down to normal shape, and still very strengthless, but gaining gradually strength. My appetite is improving. My hairs they have started coming, and hopefully I will be able to recover in due course of time.